I'm going to share with you the bell kit and how to put your bell kit together. Mine came yesterday, I'm very excited, and it came in this great bag. It's got wheels, which was great because I had to bring it from the parking lot this morning. Nice retractable handle. Yours might look a little different, but in essence, it's going to be put together the same way. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put it on a flat surface. You could put it on the floor or on a table. I'm going to use the riser for just now. Open it up carefully because in the top part of your bag, there will be another inside pocket, and that pocket will have your practice drum pad. The practice drum pad is in that pocket. So you'll want to be very careful when you open it up. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. We'll talk about the drum pad in a little bit. Next, before you get out the bells, I know you're excited about the bells, but before you get them out, you want to pull out the stand. There are two parts to the stand. Two parts. The first part is the one with the big feet. You want big feet. It has a wing nut here that you're going to loosen, and then grabbing the feet, so you don't pinch fingers, grabbing the feet, start to pull them out a little bit, and see how it expands. There you go, nice and sturdy. When you get it to where you want it, tighten that wing nut again. And then set it down on, well here, I'll set mine on the floor. There we go. Then you take the top of the stand, and this one has the little feet on it. It's actually a cradle that's going to hold your bells. So you're going to, again, take the wing nut and loosen it a little bit. Well, we'll get to that. This first you got to assemble it together. So we're going to take this wing nut, make sure that's a little loose, and just put the top right in the bottom. See how I did that? It just slides in. Now I'm going to tighten the wing nut just a little bit here while I show you how to set up the top. Now the top, you're going to make sure the wing nut here is loose and then pull the feet out. You are going to want to then, that's a little loose, tighten the wing nut. And you'll have noticed that the stand has feet that are different lengths. On this side, you have the smaller feet. Over here, it's much wider. They're uneven. That's important. You want to set your bells up with the big end to the left and the little end to the right. Big end to the left, little end to the right. I'll set that here for a moment. Next, you're going to get the bells out. The part we've been waiting for. Okay, in your bell kit, you'll have mallets right here. So gently lift those up and pull out your bells. They'll be a little heavy. Pull out your bells. Notice there's a long end and then a shorter end. Well, that is very important when you set the bells on your stand. So let me pull the stand back in front here. Remember, I have the big end to the left, the small end to the right. Underneath, there is a little hole right here. That hole is going to sit on top of the center screw. So when I set this down, I want to make sure I set that center screw in the little hole. I'm going to peek, check. Oh, there we go. And then you're going to set it down on those feet. Make sure it's nice and secure. See how the little feet grab the little end, the big feet grab the big end? It's pretty secure. Now, you don't want it this high. It should be down about belly button height. So I'm going to take the wing nut here and lower it, lower it, lower it, lower it, lower it. There's my belly button. And there is my bell kit.